analyzing wooden frame design principles of few imperial palaces, Vietnam. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The complex of few monuments, abbreviated as the monuments, is well known for its wealth of scientific materials for research. This paper begins by introducing the features of the wooden frame of the Twin Ridge Beam Building, abbreviated as the Twin Buildings, which represent the highest level of the U Imperial Palaces, abbreviated as the Imperial Palaces. The Twin Buildings are an important component of the complex of few monuments, recognized as UNESCO's first World Cultural Heritage Site in Vietnam in December 1993. Next, this paper examines the design principles of the wooden frame of the twin buildings, which were used exclusively for special functions such as residences in the palaces, worshipping halls in the shrines of the ancestors, and the temples of succeeding emperors' mausoleums. Designing and constructing the twin buildings represents one of the most challenging techniques among the monuments, primarily based on the historical documents of the Nguyen dynasty, surveys of the remaining twin buildings, dimensional analysis, investigations into traditional design methods, interviews with traditional master carpenters, and study results on the floor plan design principles. This research seeks to redefine the design principles of the wooden frame of the twin buildings. Through this study, the architectural proportions, design principles, and design processes of the wooden frame have been concretely identified. This research provides a comprehensive understanding of the principles behind the wooden frame design of the twin buildings in the imperial palaces. Furthermore, the findings published in this paper serve as a valuable reference for researchers, graduate students, and architecture students. They contribute to academic education and scientific research, while also providing an important database and knowledge base for the restoration and reconstruction of the monuments. Introduction. The Nguyen dynasty ruled Vietnam from 1802 to 1945 and built its capital in U. Although their reign lasted only 143 years, they left behind a rich cultural legacy, including many impressive buildings now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Most of these structures were built within just 45 years, raising the question of how such a large-scale construction was possible in such a short time. This study explores whether the dynasty used advanced architectural design principles to speed up construction. It focuses on the twin buildings, important structures within the imperial palaces, especially looking at the design of their wooden frames. The main idea is that a specific proportional relationship between the floor plan and the height of the wooden structure helps simplify planning and building. By understanding these design principles, we can learn more about the smart techniques used in traditional Vietnamese architecture during the Nguyen dynasty. Conclusion. A study of the twin buildings from the Nguyen dynasty shows that two different methods were used to design wooden frames. In the early Gia Long period, a building's height was based on the size of its floor plan, which worked well when building within a carefully planned area. However, it was less effective when plans needed to change. Later, during the Ming Mang period, a more flexible method was introduced. Building height could be decided separately from the floor size. This made construction easier and faster, while still fitting into the overall design of the capital. The change happened over just 20 years and was influenced by the needs of each period. The Gia Long era focused on recovery and stability after war, using traditional techniques. By the Ming Mang era, there was a push to build more quickly and affordably. This shift led to smarter, more efficient building practices that supported the growth of the imperial city. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.